We're constantly hearing this word cinematic, but what does that actually mean?
And action.
All right, welcome to the workshop. You're gonna follow along with me as I create my own short film. And by the end of all this, you're gonna have your own film to show the world. Everything I know is coming right at you.
Get cut.
I find so much purpose in capturing the people around me and having them live forever within that footage. We need to create with intention. Everything from lens choices, camera movement.
Settings right now are 1/50th of a second.
Between our highlights and our shadows, really wide open, around 1.4. The Promise filter diffuses the highlights of our image. These are all tools that we can use intentionally to make sure the emotion coming across on screen tells the story that we're wanting to share with the world.
Neither way is right or wrong, it just has to match our story that we're going for.
Now we're gonna plan out each scene. Mood boards, shot planning, creative briefs. During this workshop, you're gonna learn everything you need to know to make films that move people. That's what we're here to do.
Say she.
There are a few accessories that we need to make our lives a little bit easier.
Yeah, you'll find yourself in some beautiful spots, and just enjoy it.
What we're about to learn is the difference between good and great. Now I'm gonna give you an assignment. Take your camera and one lens. Nobody's gonna show up on your doorstep and give you the perfect story to tell. We have to dig deeper.
Once on handheld, once on tripod, once on stabilizer. Here, have them skateboarding, have them. I lost my ice cream.
I'm RJ Bruni, and I'll be your instructor. I want you to show up and be so excited that this is going to be your next best film.